today, we're making something super fun, a Bible hand fan craft. It's easy, colorful, and full of love. First, print your craft pages. Ask a parent or teacher to help you. Then grab your crayons, markers, or paint, and start coloring your fan any way you like. You can draw hearts, stars, or even your favorite Bible verse. When you're done coloring, cut out the hands carefully. Remember to use safety scissors or get an adult to help. Then, glue the hands to a craft stick or popsicle stick. Now look! You've made your very own Bible hand fan. Mine says, "God made me." It reminds me that God made each of us special and full of purpose. You can wave your fan at home, bring it to Sunday school, or share it with your friends. It's a fun way to stay cool and share God's love with everyone around you. Don't forget, ask your parent or teacher to help you download and print this craft from the link below. Have fun creating, learning, and remembering how amazing God made you.